Good morning, welcome to Champaign Ford City. This is Todd bringing you our latest F-150 build. This is one of our Superquake editions, which includes the 705 horsepower Roush Supercharger Kit. It's a 2022 Antimatter Blue two-wheel drive. It's a real deep blue metallic. Got a nice set of 22-inch gunmetal gray wheels on it. Two-tone the grille with color matched upper and lower with the high gloss center section done. Ordered with fog lamps, carpet, satellite radio. It's got all the power options, power locks, tilt cruise, power mirrors, 331 electronic locking differential. So as you can see, we color matched front and rear bumpers, door handles, fender vents. And the third brake light and tail lights, we've had some tinting done on those to give them a little sportier look. And let's take a look inside. Got a split bench seat with a flip down armrest and cup holders. Ford Performance door sill plates. And there's the factory carpet. That is an option. There's power windows, locks, mirrors. And these are actually heated mirrors with the blind spot secondary mirror in there. It does not have the automatic blind spot sensors, but it has the blind spot mirror. All your lighting controls, satellite radio. Here's your climate control, your drive modes, and your electronic locking differential switch. So we've lowered this truck 3 inches in the front, 2 inches in the rear, 3 inches in the front, 5 inches in the rear with the IHC Ride quality kit. Uses the factory strut and spring assembly in the front, makes for a nice ride. Obviously we flipped the axle in the back. Definitely gives you a little more firmer ride than factory, but it's a sport truck, so they're gonna ride firmer anyway. All right, let's take a look under the hood. All right, there is your Roush Supercharger. That is the revised Supercharger Kit. So the 18 through 20s, you've heard me say in other videos, they had some heat soak issues. The new heat exchanger is 107% larger than before, so more than double the size. That has eliminated that heat soak issue. And with that, they picked up another 55 horsepower over the previous generation kit as well. So that's a huge kudos to Roush for addressing the concern, recognizing it, and taking care of it. There's our Mbrp side exit race exhaust, black tips. So again, this is a 2022 two-wheel drive, 331 locking differential, Antimatter Blue. And this color has been extremely popular. I think we've sold 3 or 4 trucks this week, Raptors and regular F-150s in this color. All right, that's pretty much it. Appreciate everybody watching. Have a great day.